Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 11th, 2024. Already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one, the 4 stars Sudoku number 9422. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yeah, it truly 4 stars Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Oh, wait. We have here 1, 2. We have here 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with the 1? Yeah, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the wall. 8 should be there. Now I can continue with the 1. 1 in this column, third column. 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Then need a 7 here. Need a 9 there. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 3, and the 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. Need a 9. Need a 7. Need a 2. Well, let me see. 7. 5, 5, 5. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well, in this row, middle row, we need a 5. These 3 boxes can be 5 because we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. This box can be 5. We have 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. So the only place left for 5 in the middle row should be there. 5, 5. Well, 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. In this column, the middle column, we need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. These 3 boxes can be 6. We have a 6 in the in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the middle column. Should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6. 6, 6. 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Thinking. And a 5 there. But the 3. Yeah, 3 here. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9 there. Yeah. Yeah. 5. Oh, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. 5. 5 there. 5 here. The 4 here. Need a 4. Yeah. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, or there. We see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. Another 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So now only place level 4. I should be there. Need a 5 here. 5 and a 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number, I believe the 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number, I believe the 9. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Need a 6 there. Need 2 here. 2. Oh, yeah. 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 6 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 5 here. 1, 7. Need a 7 here. Well, this should be a 7. In this row, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. So the only place level 7 in this row should be there. 1 needed. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. So need a 9 here. 9 there. Yeah. Well, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those two boxes. So 9 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. I need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 8. 8 here. Yeah. Let me think. 2, 8. 8 should be here. It should be there then. 2, 8, 9. 9. 2, 8, 9. And 2, 8, 9, yeah, 2, 8, 9. Ay. 2, 8, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this third row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 9. So 9 goes there. Here 2, 8, 9. So 1 digit left. We have a pair 2 and 8. So this box should be a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Complicated. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now. So this box should be an 8 then. And 1 box left in this column for number 2. Then 8. 2 and 6, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 4 and 8. Let me see. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. No. We have a 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. Well, in the last row, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. And we have a pair. The 5 and the 7 in this row. The 5 and the 7 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column X only place level 3. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, we have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only place level 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only place level 3 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, we solved it again. But I need more time for solving this puzzle. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.